Welcome to Best Choice. The best Airpods Pro Case Fun is probably one of the most exciting ways to add personality and protection to your beloved Apple earbuds, transforming a simple accessory into a statement piece that reflects your unique style and interests, ensuring your Airpods Pro remain not only safe from everyday wear and tear but also a conversation starter wherever you go, making them stand out from the crowd with a touch of flair and individuality. Number 5. Airfun Airpods Pro Case with Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Airfun case designed for your AirPods Pro, first and second generation. This accessory ensures your earbuds stay protected and clean. Crafted from high-quality silicone, this case offers a soft, lightweight, and durable shield. Its smooth surface is comfortable and resistant to water, sweat, and scratches. Choose from a variety of unique colors to match your mood and style. Make a statement and receive compliments every time you use your earbuds. This perfect combo includes a protective case and a multifunctional cleaning kit. Keep your favorite headphones in pristine condition at all times. Each case comes with a metal carabiner clip. Easily attach your earbud pouch to your handbag or backpack for on-the-go convenience. Specifically designed for AirPods Pro first and second generation, this case ensures a perfect fit. Please note, it is not compatible with original AirPods 1 or 2. What we like. This case offers a soft, premium silicone feel for comfortable handling. It also comes with a handy cleaner kit to keep your AirPods Pro in pristine condition. If you're looking for a practical and protective solution with a touch of personal style, this is a great choice. What people say. The case is made of a soft silicone material that feels nice to the touch. It comes with a carabiner clip, which is convenient for attaching to a backpack or belt loop. The case fits the AirPods Pro snugly and doesn't add too much bulk. Number 4. ELAGO Ice Cream Case for AirPods Pro. Unlike mass-produced alternatives, our cases are meticulously designed in-house. Every detail is considered to ensure a perfect fit, excellent draw protection, and a stylish look. Just as you protect yourself from the summer heat, protect your charging case. Made from premium silicone, it shields against drops, dirt, and daily oils, keeping it looking brand new. Whether you're a foodie or simply love ice cream, this case is for you. Its fun design adds personality while offering full compatibility with your AirPods Pro. Enjoy effortless wireless charging without any issues. This case provides direct access to all functions, ensuring a convenient user experience. Looking for a great gift? This makes an ideal present for birthdays or holidays, especially as a stocking stuffer for Christmas. As a design company, we believe in simple sophistication. We create useful and awesome products that we use ourselves, ensuring you'll love it too. What we like. Designed in-house, this case boasts a unique and fun ice cream design that stands out. Made from premium silicone, it offers excellent protection against drops and daily wear. If you love quirky designs and want a case that's both protective and a conversation starter, this is perfect for you. What people say. The case is made of a durable silicone material that feels good in the hand. It fits the AirPods Pro perfectly and doesn't add too much bulk. The charging port is easily accessible, and the case supports wireless charging. Number 3. Aulumu A09 Geometric AirPods Pro 2 Case. Introducing a case designed for ultimate protection. Its unique locking mechanism ensures your device stays safe from accidental drops and impacts. Experience a blend of style and function with its new geometric design. This visually appealing aesthetic also helps to absorb and prevent impact. Discover the intricate details of its alloy locking clasp, offering a cool metallic texture. The main body combines soft TPU with a durable PC faceplate. Equipped with a new nylon strap and buckle, you can easily attach it anywhere. It's always within reach when you need it. Designed specifically for AirPods Pro, both first and second generations. It ensures a seamless fit for Lightning and USB-C models. Secure the top cover with the included adhesive stickers for a perfect fit. Refer to the installation video for a hassle-free setup and removal. What we like. This case features a secure locking clasp and a striking geometric design with alloy accents for a premium feel. It offers robust protection against drops, making it ideal for those who prioritize security and a sophisticated aesthetic. If you need maximum protection and a case that looks as good as it performs, consider this option. What people say. The case is made of a soft silicone material that feels nice to the touch and provides good grip. It fits the Airpods Pro perfectly, with precise cutouts for the charging port and speaker. The magnetic closure keeps the Airpods Pro securely in place, preventing them from falling out. Number 2. YIPINJIA 3-pack cute Airpod Pro cases. Introducing our fun and stylish 3D cartoon cases, designed to make your Airpods Pro stand out. Get a set of 3 unique designs to express your personality. These cases offer a precise fit for your Airpods Pro and Pro 2nd Gen charging case. Made from premium silicone, they protect against dust, scratches, and impacts while feeling great to the touch. With 3 fashionable and kawaii designs, these cases add a pop of color and fun to your Airpods Pro. They are perfect for boys, girls, and anyone looking for a unique accessory or gift. Enjoy convenient charging with the bottom opening that allows easy access to the charging port. No need to remove the case to power up your device. Your 3-pack includes 3 distinct silicone cases, purple potato, bubble gum, and sport water designs. You'll also receive 3 keychains to complete the look. We stand by the quality of our YIPINJIA cases. You'll receive reliable customer service and a trusted guarantee for peace of mind with your purchase. What we like? Get a variety of fun with this 3-pack of cute 3D cartoon silicone cases. They offer reliable protection against dust, scratches, and impacts, while adding a splash of personality. If you love to switch up your style or want fun gifts for friends and family, this multi-pack is a fantastic value. What people say. The case is made of a soft silicone material that feels nice to the touch and provides good grip. It fits the Airpods Pro perfectly and doesn't add too much bulk. The charging port is easily accessible, and the case supports wireless charging without any issues. Number 1. Airpods Pro Cover, Hoodie Shark. Introducing a cover that's as unique as you are. Its stylish and trendy design is sure to turn heads and earn you compliments. Crafted from flexible, durable, and shockproof silicone, it safeguards your device. The precision fit ensures it slips on and off without a scratch. Designed for life on the go, it features a portable design with a convenient carabiner keychain. Easily attach it to your keys, bag, or belt. Keep it protected and powered up. The charging port is easily accessible, so you can charge without ever removing the case. Its unique pattern makes your device fashionable and eye-catching. It's the perfect gift for yourself or someone special. What we like? This case features a fun and eye-catching character design, like a hoodie shark, that's sure to turn heads. Made from durable, shockproof silicone, it provides excellent protection for your Airpods Pro. If you're looking for a stylish and portable accessory that expresses your personality, this is a great pick. What people say. The case is designed to be very durable and protects the Airpods Pro from drops and scratches. It has a secure clasp that keeps the Airpods Pro from accidentally opening and falling out. The case is also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about damaging your Airpods Pro if they get wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.